How to send calendar invite on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the calendar application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This action will open a new event creation page. To enter event details, start by giving your event a title. Below the title, you can set the start and end dates and times. You can also add a location. Scroll down the page until you see the Invitees field. Tap on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can add guests. In the To field, type the email address or the name of the person you want to invite. If they are in your contacts, their name will pop up as you type. After entering an invitee, you can add more. Once you have added all the invitees and the event details, tap Add in the top right corner of the screen. This saves the event to your calendar and sends an invitation to everyone you added. Following these steps, you can easily send a calendar invite on an iPhone.